Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Aisha Loves Makeup. So I got my Macys Beauty Box that just came in. I'm super excited to see what I got. I didn't like I want to say the last 2 to 3 boxes, and I told myself I was gonna cancel, and I did try to cancel on the Macys website, but why do these sites make it so hard to cancel a subscription box? It's like doing like a rocket science, astronomical math to figure out how to unsubscribe to these subscription boxes. I think they do that on purpose so you could just give up and not unsubscribe to them, because I could not figure out how to do it. So nevertheless, I'm back with another unboxing. So let's see if it was worth it in me keeping the box. I want to say this is supposed to be like an all Laura Mercier box, because I know they had like Yves Saint Laurent Takeover, which I got and filmed on my channel. They also had like a Jo Malone one that I unfortunately didn't. That happened I think right before I signed up for Macys Beauty Box, so I didn't get that one, but I absolutely love Jo Malone's perfumes and their candles and their body products. Like, I love Jo Malone stuff. I love I think it's called Nectarine and Honey Blossom. If you like sweet scents, smell that scent, and next time you're in Jo Malone, you'll thank me later. Nevertheless, I'm gonna get into my unboxing. So if you guys want to know what I got in my box, then you know what to do. Just keep on watching. Alrighty guys, so I'm glad to be back in the swing of things. As I stated in my previous videos, I was away on vacation, so I didn't really get to film too much because I was gone for a decent amount of days. And then when I came back, you know, I'm still busy because I'm playing catch up now with everything. So I did film 2 videos, and now I'm gonna film a couple of more for you guys, but I'm getting back into the swing of doing my videos, because I normally, when I'm not on vacation or when I'm not like booked and busy, I normally do like 3 to 4 videos a week, and I want to get back to doing that, at least 3 to 4 videos a week, so you guys have something to look forward to. And I want to start doing like a schedule where like you guys can know that when my videos are gonna post, so you guys can always know when to look. I want to say I want to make Monday a set day where I always have a video, but I haven't figured out like what other days. Like, should I have videos Monday, Tuesday, Wednesdays, like 3 days back to back, or I'm not sure. But I know Monday's gonna be one key day where I'm always gonna film for you guys. Thank you for everyone who's been patient with me with the filming. Don't worry, I'm not going anywhere. If anything, my channel's gonna get so much better, because like I said, I have so much new fun content for you guys, so just stay tuned for that. Super excited to be trying new things on the channel, so just stay tuned. But let's get into this unboxing. So I opened the box up already. I didn't look inside, but let's see what I got. Oh, see, it is a Laura Mercier Takeover. So let's put the box down on the floor and let's see what I got. This feels really like thin. Normally it's like a lot. This doesn't feel too beefy, but let's see. So I actually do happen to use a lot of Laura Mercier's products. I like their products. I like their Caviar Sticks, I think they're called. I love like their body products, like their perfumes and their body lotions are amazing. The shower gels. I think the one that I used to wear a lot back in the day was, I think it's called Fig. It smells amazing. But nevertheless, let's see what they gave us. So I try not to look too much into the card, but they gave us a $5. I don't even think I've used one of these since I've gotten these beauty boxes. These are like $5 for your next $20 purchase of anything beauty. And Macys, I've never used one of these before. Like, is that bad, guys? But anyway, this is the things that I'm supposed to get that I'm not gonna look at because I don't want to spoil it for myself. But let's see. So, as per usual, I feel like lately they've always been saying, oops, like you didn't get something in the bag that you were supposed to get. Oops, we had to substitute one of the samples in your box. Sorry about that. But don't worry, we're pretty sure you'll love what we sent instead. So we'll have to find out what I didn't get that I was supposed to. But I always hate when they give a packet. Like, I never use these things at all. But that's the first thing in here is a packet. I hope that's like a bonus item. The bags are only $15, which I think is very reasonable price. Because I feel like every beauty subscription box has went up for the most part. Like all the big ones. And Macy's is the only one that's still only $15. So I think that's very reasonable. But let's see what I got here. Alright, so I did get a Caviar Stick. I got 2 of them. I got Au Naturel and I got Fresh. So these are the 2 that I got. Which I love eyeshadow sticks. So they are called Caviar Sticks? Yes, they are called Caviar Sticks because this says Caviar Caviar Stick Eye Color, and this one says Velour Extreme Matte. Oh, this is a lipstick. Wow, they both look, if you look from far, they look the same, but this is actually a lipstick. I didn't even know they had lipsticks that look like the eyeshadow sticks, so that's kind of cool. I got a Mercier Multitasking Moisturizer. I've never tried that out. I got a Mercier Nourishing Rose Oil. I love the smell of roses, in case you didn't know. So it's like a little deluxe size. Let's open it up. I want to smell it. It doesn't really smell like roses. It doesn't really smell like anything, but it's supposed to smell like roses, right? And then I got the translucent powder. I want to say this is just a regular one. I have the translucent deep one too. The deep one I don't really use for like under my eye because it's actually like my skin tone. But they gave a translucent. I'll probably just put this in my like the giveaways because I have a whole pot of this already. This shade. And I don't really use it too much, so I'll just give it away. And the moisturizer, I really don't really use like sample moisturizers. I use like my full sizes, so I'm gonna just give that away. But I'm curious, what else were they giving? Because it looks like, oh, I didn't get the primer sample. What was that little packet? Is this it? Illuminating eye cream. So I didn't get the primer, the blurring primer. I actually really would have loved to try that out. Yeah, it says I was supposed to get the primer. Oh, boo. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what am I missing? 1 second. Oh, so the extra thing that I got that I wasn't supposed to get was this eyeshadow stick because I don't see it on here. So that's the thing that they gave me instead of the primer. Which in reality, I mean, this color I'm going to just use it as like a base for any shadow. But I would have liked to try the primer, but this is still cool. So, let me see. Was it worth $15? I mean, I want to say it definitely was worth $15 because I got all of these things. That, and that. Oh wait, was I supposed to get a Mercier bag? I don't know. In the picture it has the bag. Now I have to watch somebody else's video to see if I'm missing this bag or not. Because the picture has the bag. It normally is a picture of everything you're supposed to get. The box is empty, so I definitely didn't get the bag, but I wish it told you what you're missing, but I didn't get the bag, and I didn't get the primer, so I'm very curious to see. I have to watch another video. But these are the things I got. Was it worth $15? Yes. Is it something that I really needed or wanted? Probably not, but like I will use these 3 things, so 3 things out of the 5 things I'm excited about trying. So it wasn't that bad if I like majority of the things rather than less of the things. So I'm happy. I'm still, you know, tossed if I want to keep this box. It's only $15, so it's not like it's putting a hole in my pocket, but $15 adds up, and especially if you're getting $15 worth of stuff that you don't want. So I'm still like not sure. Maybe I'll keep another box and we'll just keep going until I'm 100% sure, but it was okay. I would give it a 6 out of 10. I'm not excited for anything. There's not one thing in here that I'm excited for, but it's okay. It's just okay. That's why I got a 6 out of 10. What did you guys think about this box? Let me know in your comments down below. If you haven't already, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Show me some love. It's greatly appreciated. I am trying to get to 2,000 subscribers. That's my next milestone of my goals to get. So any support that I get from you guys will be greatly appreciated. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I have a Sephora haul. I went to Sephora and I bought a whole bunch of stuff that I definitely don't need, but I'm still gonna show you my haul of goodies. So I'm gonna film this right after this video. So if you guys want to see what I got in my Sephora haul, stay tuned for my next video. Love you guys.